How to make no one can post on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can post on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, profile tag and tagging. And now click who can post on your profile and select only me, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.